Okay, this is a dog puzzle. It's supposed to keep them entertained and amused and trick their brain. Put Cheerios in the holes and slide the little doodads up. More Cheerios in this hole. Cheerio. Okay, now it's loaded. One piggy. One puzzle. Well done? That was